2 days ago, I was walking up the steps of the Capitol when Representative Yoho suddenly turned a corner, and he was accompanied by Representative Roger Williams, and accosted me on the steps right here in front of our nation's Capitol. I was minding my own business, walking up the steps, and Representative Yoho put his finger in my face. He called me disgusting. He called me crazy. He called me out of my mind. And he called me dangerous. And then he took a few more steps, and after I had recognized his comments as rude, he walked away and said, "I'm rude. You're calling me rude." I walked back out, and there were reporters in the front of the Capitol. And in front of reporters, Representative Yoho called me, and I quote, "a fucking bitch."
Florida Congressman Ted Yoho took to the House floor today to apologize to New York Representative Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez.
I rise to apologize for the abrupt manner of the conversation I had with my colleague from New York. It is true that we disagree on policies and visions for America, but that does not mean we should be disrespectful. The offensive name-calling words attributed to me by the press were never spoken to my colleagues, and if they were construed that way, I apologize for their misunderstanding.
Did you refer to her as a F word, B word?
No, I walked down the steps and I said, this is just such frickin' BS.
A reporter heard me say something. He said, "What was that about?" I said, "No comment." But truth is, as I walked away by myself, I said, "What a F and B."
For public art and gestures of inclusion, and we will build from there until we flip the seats in Congress, until we take back the Senate right here in this very state.